I am Architect Dennis Andre P. Aranyo, and gusto ko lang pong simulan na lahat tayo nanggagaling sa endless cups of coffee, sa struggle to keep our eyes open while reading through the building codes. Minsan nga, we joke about how architects don't sleep and how we thrive on stress. I used to think that was the standard na para maging architect, you just had to be the toughest person in the room. But sometimes life throws us something na di natin ina-expect. A while back, I was involved in a vehicular accident. My left foot was crushed and things got complicated very quickly sa operation room. I can't breathe and nag-50-50 ako. I was yellow and need ko daw lagyan ng tubo. Dati nag-worry lang ako about sa board exam schedule ko, kung anong module yung babasahin ko, and suddenly I find myself in the ICU. Unable to move, unable to speak, and fighting for my life. The isolation was the hardest part. Nandun kasi yung guilt. Parang napapag-iwanan na ako. Na nahuli na ako sa schedule. I watched the review season slipping away while I was confined in the hospital bed. Kasi di naman ako pinapayagan pa na sumama sa Zoom as per my doctor. Una, dahil wala pa daw yung connection sa loob, bawal din daw ako ma-stress. And secondly, may tubo ako sa bibig and di ako makatayo, di ako maupo dahil may bakal ako sa paa. And a few weeks after ko ma-release sa private room at nung naka-attend na ako sa review classes dito sa Atlas, I was unable to have the strength to turn on my camera during the review season. I felt like I was drifting further away from my dream. But here's what I want to share with you. Na in those moments where I felt like I was failing, my community at Atlas CDC became my foundation. They didn't just provide reviews, they provide a space where I felt seen even when I was in the darkest part of my life. Yung mga lectures didn't feel like pressure. They felt like a blanket of comfort. Even when I couldn't speak, and just listening to the voices of our mentors, yung mga biroan sa GC, parang nafe-feel ko na included ako and nasabi ko na I was never truly alone. There were days na I wanted to give up. The doubt was louder than the lectures. But every time I felt like quitting, the words of encouragement from Architect Tapawan, Architect Proposi, Architect Gabitan, and the entire team of Atlas EDC acted as my emotional support. They reminded me that architecture isn't just about drawing buildings. It's about strength to endure, the ability to adapt to a changing site, and the capacity to rise again after a disaster. I didn't make it to this point dahil ako yung pinakamatalino sa room. I made it because I had a support system at Atlas that made the weight of this board exam feel lighter. They turned yung stressful review season into a journey of a shared growth. And for that, sobrang grateful ako. To everyone, architects na sa January 2027, you will encounter your own moments of doubt, personal struggles, and exhaustions. When you reach that point, remember that you don't have to carry the load alone. Architecture is a noble profession, but the soul of an architect is forged in how we handle the pressure. Keep showing up, even if it's your camera off. Keep listening to your mentors, even when you're tired. And most importantly, hold on to that dream. Because I can make it through the ICU to be here today. I know you too. And thank you, Atlas CDC, for building me up when I couldn't stand. And thank you, everyone, for listening.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.